Hi everyone, welcome. Today we have this software called Trustmary and this is the best website reviewing software. Now, before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now, jumping onto the platform, here you can see we are currently on its dashboard and you know how important reviewing is. So we have a couple of features like, for example, if you want to add users, you can do it directly from your dashboard, and even if you want to add a new platform, you can do that as well. You can manage your surveys that you have created and you are working online on them. You can manage your surveys and emails sent this billing period. You can see the billing system is also integrated in here. Widgets, you can also manage your widgets and manage reviews, of course, since it is a website reviewing software. Now, on the left side, you can see we have our dashboard and users. So from the users section, of course, we can add multiple users according to our demands. We have the settings option in here to make our customizations according to our requirements. So like, for example, if we want to simply modify our name, address, websites, we can do that from here. And using email, we can create our new emails. So you can simply add your emails in here. You can also modify your themes and branding colors if you want to do that. So you can see in collect and display, we have our platforms that we can connect to for the reviews. We have our surveys and many other similar items that we discussed on the dashboard. And we also have various integrations on this platform. Now, still, if you are unsure about Trustmary, I have some reviews for you guys. So here, as you can see, Trustmary is very easy to use and provides excellent methods for gathering feedback and showing them. So platform is super easy to use and getting better and more versatile all the time. So make sure to give it a try to Trustmary using the link in the description to get yourself a free trial as well as exclusive bonuses. So see you guys around in the next video.